In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange objects in Google Slides. Whether you're working on a presentation for school, work, or a personal project, knowing how to organize your slides smoothly can make a significant difference in the quality of your work. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Look towards the top right corner. You'll see a sign in button. Click on that. You'll then be prompted to choose your account from the list if there are multiple accounts, or you can add a new one. Type in your password carefully and hit the next button. After you're successfully signed in, shift your focus to the small grid icon, those 9 tiny squares at the top right corner of the page. This menu houses all of Google's apps. Go ahead and click on that, then scroll down the list of apps until you find Google Slides. Click on Slides to open it up. Now with Google Slides open, you'll see a list of your presentations. Choose the one you're going to work on and click to open it. Here comes the fun part, arranging those objects on your slide. Let's start with aligning objects. This technique is a quick way to make sure all your items look clean, neat, and professional on your slide. The trick is to get their edges or centers to line up perfectly with one another. Start by selecting all of the objects you want to align. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each one you want to select. After you've selected them, right-click with your mouse. From the menu that appears, choose your preferred direction, whether you want them to align horizontally or vertically. If your goal is to center a single object, the process is straightforward. First, select the object you want to center, right-click again, and hover over the Center on Page option. You can then decide if you want it centered horizontally or vertically based on your layout needs. When you have 3 or more objects, the distribution tool is fantastic for creating even spaces between your objects. Once again, select all the objects by holding down Shift and clicking each one, hover over the Distribute option, and choose whether to distribute them horizontally or vertically. This will equalize the spaces between each object across your slides seamlessly. Now let's talk about grouping. This is a brilliant feature when you need to treat multiple objects as one. Grouping locks them together so that you can move, resize, or rotate them as a single unit without risking them shifting out of place. To do this, select all the objects you want to group by holding Shift and clicking. Right-click once more and then click on Group. And there you have it, a smoother, cleaner, and more organized presentation on Google Slides awaits. I hope this guide has been helpful and you can now bring a professional flair to your slides with ease. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.